Welcome to Hoffman Leatherworks. We're going to do a minimalist wallet today. If you downloaded the pattern, just double check that you printed it at 100%. There's a scale right on the page. Go ahead and cut it out kind of close to the pattern, but leave some space, as you see there. Once you get the pattern cut out, go ahead and tape it down to your leather. I like using just regular Scotch tape. Just get it taped down nice and good. Once you got that done, go ahead and take your 1.5 millimeter punch. Just punch out the holes as indicated on the pattern. So once you get all the holes punched, we'll move on to the next step. We'll go ahead and just cut it out. I like to use a ruler to keep my lines all nice and really straight. There we go. We got it cut out. For the corners, I like to use a corner punch. If you don't have them, you can hand cut them. Either way is fine. So once you get that done, we'll go ahead and just bevel the edges. I like to do that at this point. You can do it pretty much any time. Once you get your whole edge beveled, I like to just hit it with a little sandpaper before I dye. The next process, we'll go ahead and make it the color that you choose. But I hit it with a little sandpaper first. So here, I just went and dyed it real quick and let it dry. And we'll go ahead and add the strap with the rivets. I use a single cap metal rivet. In this case, it's just a silver. And then a 6x8x8 button stud screw to hold it in place. Just tap it lightly with the hammer. The button stud screws, they go in easy. Just put it through the hole and spin on the button. Just tighten it down pretty good. Here. Hardware is complete at this point. Just get your needles and some thread and we'll go ahead and sew it up. I use 1.2 millimeter waxed thread for this. And we'll just finish up and do a couple back stitches. Go ahead and make sure that your thread is just really tight. After every stitch, I really yank on it pretty good and make sure to keep everything really tight. Just cut the thread and hit it with a lighter, a little heat, and that'll be it. Now I just take a damp little rag or sponge and just get the edge damp. Make sure to not get it too wet or it doesn't work as well. Just get it damp and then hit it with a slicker and clean up those edges. There's many ways of doing edges, and depending on the product, and for the purpose of this video, I just hit it with a little water and an edge slicker. And that's it. Completed minimalist wallet. Holds about 3 to 4 cards. Thanks for watching.